Hello, dear. Tonight, I will tell you the secrets of the little friends right in your room. Look, blue toothbrush and toothpaste are waiting to meet you.
I'm ready to help your teeth become sparkling white and fragrant. Let me give you some smooth white bubbles to chase away those tooth decay monsters.
See, they always want to take care of your radiant smile.
Desk lamp is also reminding you to put away your books and get ready for bed.
The child is right, Sister Elephant. Let's rest together so we can study well again tomorrow. Teddy Bear is already lying on the bed, waiting for you to come and hug him.
Come here, dear, I will keep you warm all through the long night.
The world around you is magical because everyone loves you and wants you to have the best sleep.
Please thank your everyday objects for accompanying you throughout the long day. This melody is a goodbye from me and your little friends to you. Now, let's close our eyes with Teddy Bear, relax your body, and wait for pink dreams.
Can you hear it? The whole room is singing a lullaby with me. The moonlight will take my place to watch over you so you can sleep.
My dear is the best and most well-behaved child in the world. Remember, at this exact time tomorrow, I will tell you other secrets. I send you a kiss from your everyday friends. Wish you a very deep sleep.
Good night, baby. Good night, baby.
See you tomorrow night, and I love you and your little friends very